Well, that was absolutely perfect timing to just pull up, and then it's starting to snow like crazy. What are you guys doing? Got Millie on her zip line. You want off to play with the other dogs for a bit in the crazy snow? Okay, give me a second. Hey! Easy, easy, Willow. Alright, guys, settle down. Woo! Look at that. Goodness. We are gonna do some work out here, but that is not happening now. Those two girls are crazy. Come on, girls! I cannot see a thing. I can't even see her. Come on, Mel! Woo! Let's go get her. Oh, it is so shitty out. Come on, baby! Come on! Oh, good girl! Good girl!